Today, I'm gonna show you a simple green look. So, I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. Alright, let's get started. So, first, you guys, I'm gonna start off with moisturizing my face. Ooh, I used a lot. Okay. So, this moisturizer that I have, it is from GNC. It's a aloe vera moisturizer. It's a moisturizing cream. You see it. And of course you can see it's white on the inside. I've been using this for about 2 years now. I use it right after I get done washing my face. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. Hold on. I got me a little cup, like a little bucket to put my brushes and lipsticks and stuff in. I want to get like an actual makeup organizer because I have a caboodle, but it opens up really big. It's good for storage, but not very good to There's my air coming out. It's very good for storage, but it's not very good to put lay things out for me to actually do my makeup, because it doesn't have, it's not stable. I don't know if that's a me thing but you know. Okay. And then I'm gonna blend this with my foundation so I can give this a nice, this is my skin but lighter kind of look, you want to say. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my brush and blend it out. Let me see. I'm good to blend this. Okay. And take this brush and blend that out. I'm sorry if y'all can't see me. I'm gonna go here because I was gonna turn in this way, but I'm gonna go here so y'all can see me a little better. I'm gonna take some concealer from this contour palette by Anastasia and clean up my brows. Like that. So first I'm gonna be starting off with my with my palette that I made by ColourPop. So I'm gonna go in with this nice yellow color. I'm gonna go all over my lid with this. All over my lid. Y'all, I am balanced balancing this palette on my leg, hoping that it doesn't fall. It is hanging on for dear life. So I'm gonna switch brushes really quick. Well, no, let me finish, put more on this eye, because I want to pack that color on. The thing is, I don't want this to be the show, but I do want this to be the background, a nice light background. And get me a brush to blend with. This brush is a little wobbly. Okay. Good. I just wanna blend it all the way up to my eyebrow. This is the same yellow. I'm using the same yellow. All the way up to that brow. Just all the way up. Okay. Well, from box of crayons, I'm gonna go with this nice green here. And this is a simple 2-shade look, you guys. So I'm gonna pack this color on with my dual-sided brush. It's time for me to get some new brushes. Just gonna pack that on onto my lid. My phone just said, well, whoop-de-doo, you're not gonna finish. You're not about to finish recording. And I'm like, but sis, I'm almost done with the look. What do you mean? What are you talking about? I'm not comprehending. I don't understand. So I'm just gonna blend this up just a little bit. Let me put just a little bit on that edge. That's clean. The same brush that we did the yellow with. Now, I didn't want to use a bunch of yellow on this brush because of the simple fact that I knew that I was going to go back with this brush because it is fluffy and it's angled, and it kind of gets into the under my fold of my eye a little bit because I do have hooded eyes. So I'm going to just hit the edge. That's it. Just blended it out. I might have to do this off camera. Wait, I think I'm doing it. Now it's time for foundation. Face, this is a matte spray because for everybody who got oily skin, you know that that is sets your back, girl, when you get ready to put on some makeup, because you just like I just want my face to not look like a melting pancake. Gonna go ahead and blend this out. I am attending a Zoom that one of my friends invited me to. Yes, I am in college, as you all know, and my college work is online. Ain't that a doozy? Okay, so I'm gonna go right under my eye with the same color that I use for my eyes. Just gonna go right under there. So I find that using just a little bit looks a little bit more natural. I've been trying to experiment with some things. Cause I don't contour, you know. I just highlight my face. I don't like to contour because I think I look weird with contouring. Like, I know how to contour, but it's just, I don't think that's for me. That's not something I do in all of my looks. It's also a little harder for me to find a contour shade that I like. Here we go. Yeah, actually, let me use, yeah, it comes down. Cause I needed to come down I needed to blend out just a little bit. This is a silicone sponge, by the way. Ooh, yes, exactly what I wanted. I don't know why I'm making this face. Y'all know that face. You gotta get in there. It ain't pulling your face not damn bit, but you know that by doing this face, you think you're doing some justice to yourself, to your makeup, man. I forgot to put on mascara, so let me throw that on real quick. Oh yes, indeedy, it's Petey. Yeah, I don't know how to put on false lashes, so I rely on these natural ones. I'd like to learn how. Like, I bought some false lashes, like some cheap ones, so I can learn. But I can show y'all my little self sessions trying to figure it out. Now I'm gonna go in with my setting powder, Ben Nye. Do my T-zone, cause that gets oily. I'm starting not to like powder my whole face because I don't want my whole face to look dry. I just want this to be matte because my face does get really, really oily. I'm not gonna bake for a long time. I just wanted to get set on there. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of gold highlighter from my ColourPop palette. So, gonna go in there just a little bit, just so they can see what we're about. I'm just gonna bloop, 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 dab, 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 dab. Cause I don't want a opaque look. Then this is the Dolce K from Kylie Jenner. I told y'all I've kind of made a way for this to work for me, cause I can't wear this as a overall lipstick because I mean it doesn't look right for my shade, but someone gave it to me and I said I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. So I'm going in with my favorite lip gloss. This is like a nice gold color, and so I'm just gonna look at that. Look at that. Gonna go with my 24 karat. Oh my goodness. I wish we weren't in quarantine, y'all. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you haven't, please subscribe and join the Queendom.